Before you rush to renew your gym membership or vow to eat healthily, it is important to pay attention to the common toxic products you are breathing in, touching, or even eating. Yes, there are several hidden toxins all around us which pose a cancer risk. What causes cancer? Cancer is essentially the result of genetic mutation in our DNA. The cells start growing and dividing in an uncontrolled manner and eventually spread throughout the body as they start growing in the form of tumors. Sometimes this deadly disease can also spread due to inherited genetic mutations. 8 things that were linked to cancer. Even though a lot of safety measures are taken in place to ensure that people are not exposed to dangerous amounts of these hazardous chemicals, a lot of these cancer-causing elements still sneak into our lives. Recent discoveries have shed light on some of the commonly found household items that are known to be carcinogenic. We present you the list of 8 things which were linked to cancer in the last decade. 1. Air pollution. According to WHO, World Health Organization, ambient, outdoor, air pollution accounts for 29% of all deaths and disease from lung cancer. The air you are breathing might be laced with cancer-causing substance, and outdoor air pollution has been officially classified carcinogenic. 2. Vaping. When e-cigarettes, also known as vapes, entered the tobacco markets, they were touted to be the much safer alternative to smoking. However, even though there is no smoke and tar present in e-cigarettes, they heat up nicotine and other flavorings. So, when you take in the vapors, you breathe in several cancer-causing substances. According to the study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, e-cigarette users developed some of the same molecular changes in oral tissue that cause cancer in cigarette smokers. 3. Processed and smoky meat. If you are gearing up to feast on the New Year's Eve, we suggest steering clear of red and processed meat. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, processed meats including ham, bacon and salami have been classified as Group 1 carcinogen. On the other hand, red meat, such as beef, lamb and pork, has been classified as a Group 2A carcinogen, which is a level below. This means it probably causes cancer. According to the Cancer Council Australia, one should not eat more than 1 serving of lean red meat per day or 2 serves 3-4 times per week. 4. Piping hot tea or coffee. If you cannot begin your day without a scalding hot cup of tea or coffee, we are here to warn you. New research published in the International Journal of Cancer has found strong evidence between drinking very hot liquids and the risk of developing esophageal cancer. To conduct the research, the researchers divided tea temperature into very hot, more than 60 degrees Celsius, and cold or lukewarm, less than or equal to 60 degrees Celsius. It was found that drinking 700 milliliters of very hot tea per day increased the chances of esophageal cancer by a whopping 90% when compared with drinking the same daily amount of cold or lukewarm tea. 5. Shower curtains. Yes, the innocent-looking plastic shower curtains in your washroom were laced with toxins and leaked cancer chemicals. According to American scientists, plastic shower containing PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and VOC, volatile organic compounds, should be strictly banned. 6. Underwire bra. There are speculations by healthcare experts that underwires bras restrict the lymph system around the breast and underarms area, and it is believed that accumulating toxins anywhere in the body increases the risk for cancer. Another concern that came along was that women who wear these bras for more than 12 hours a day are at an increased risk of breast cancer. However, to date, there is not enough evidence to support these speculations. 7. Hair dyes and straighteners. If you think that maintaining a healthy diet and workout routine is enough to evade the cancer risk, you might be mistaken. Permanent hair dyes and chemical hair straighteners that are increasingly used to revamp one's look might be linked to cancer. According to research published in the International Journal of Cancer, women who used a permanent hair dye or chemical straighteners were at higher risk of developing breast cancer. 8. Stress. This decade saw a rapid increase in overall stress levels, owing to drastically reducing work-life balance. It has been speculated by health experts worldwide that if you live with chronic stress, you are at a greater risk for developing cancer. Like, share, subscribe and comment.